Did you know that medieval church bells weren't just used to call villagers to prayer? They were masterpieces of sound and function, crafted with precision to amplify their chime across vast distances. Their design ensured resonance that could withstand the elements. But they held another fascinating secret. Their tones were thought to ward off storms and evil spirits, providing not just warnings but protection to entire towns. Hidden science integrated with beliefs. No wonder these bells have roamed through history.